This video explains how to create the cube with a hole on the top of it. We're going to start a new part, create a new 2D sketch on the XY plane. You're going to grab a rectangle, come to the center, click, and this rectangle needs to be 1 inch by 1 inch, so we're going to choose 1, tab 1, enter. And I like to bring it to the front so you can see everything. Finish sketch because we need to create the cube first before we create a new sketch for the hole that would be on top of it. So we're going to finish sketch and extrude this out by 1 inch. You've got that, click OK and bring it to home view. This next part gets us to create a hole on the top of your cube. So we're going to start a new 2D sketch, and we want that sketch to be on this plane, the top plane of your cube. So when you hover over that, it should turn white, and then you can click with your mouse and it brings up our sketch. Now we need to find the center point of this cube. We are going to, you can do it one of two ways. You can grab a line tool and you can create an X inside of here. Notice how this is still attached. If you want that gone, you can press escape on your screen and grab the line tool again to create an X here. When you find, this gives you the center point of your square. From this point, you will grab a point and you'll place that on the direct center of that X that you just made. When you've got that, you can finish sketch and you can go to hole. Your hole should be 1 inch in depth, so through the entire piece. It can be 1 inch in depth, or you can go to termination and say through all. And the diameter of the hole should be 1/4 of an inch. When you've got that, you can say OK. Now the other way to do this is to start your new sketch on this plane and go directly to grab the point. You can place the point anywhere inside of here. You can then dimension that point to be in the center. So you would click on dimension and then you would click on your point and the side of your square. When you have that, you're going to move it out of the way and click down. When you click down once, it turns white and it shows you that distance. Halfway, the point should be in the middle. So with a distance of 1 inch from here to here, the halfway point is 0.5. So you're going to type 0.5 and enter. And it moves this point over to the center. But if you also notice, it's up too high. So we need to dimension it a second time. So you're going to click on dimension, click on your point. You can click on either the top or the bottom here. Doesn't matter because it will be the same. And you're going to move it out of the way, click down once, and once again, it should be at 0.5. This gives your point, gets your point directly in the center of that square. You can finish sketch. You can click on hole. By the way, if your hole does not show up after you've clicked on it, you simply just need to come over here and click on the X. Once again, it should be through either a distance of 1 or through the entire piece, and your diameter should be 1/4 of an inch. Go ahead and click OK. And then you can go up to your big I and save as in your GTT folder, cube with a hole. Click save and you are good to go.